Dear students, hope you all are well. So welcome to our online class. Today we are going to revision a topic that we already completed it earlier. So I thought that we need to hit it once again, as it's been a long time that we didn't revise it. So let's go through your most favorite one, and that is from grammatical item, uh, number. And of course, in your book it's mentioned as plurals. Okay, so number, as we know that number actually detects the counting. Okay, it actually refers to count, noun or pronoun. So number means actually the counting of the quantity of anything, or to show the exact digit of something. Okay, so there are two types of numbers, like singular number and plural number. As we know, what is singular number? Singular number means it indicates single thing. That means single means only one thing, and plural means more than one, or more than that, two or three. That means it can't be only one, it must be minimum, it has to be more than one. Okay, then it will be known as singular number. Like if I say a box, then in plural I would say boxes. If I say bird, in plural it will be birds. If I say cake, in plural it will be cakes. Just we have to know that we should put a s or es at the end of the word in order to make it plural. Okay, I know that you are actually quite mastered on that, but once again let's go through it. In your exam now, let me tell you how can you have the questions from this area. In your exam you can have two patterns of this. I mean, either I will give you to just put the s or es at the end of the word. That means just make the plural of the following singular noun, or I will just give you to write down the fill in the gaps with the correct number. Okay, so let me give you an example. Like, look at the board please. If in your exam the question is like that, like the plural form, then for example there is cup, you have to write it, you have to make it plural. Like, we know that what is the plural form of cup, that is cups. Duck will be ducks, and page will be pages. Okay, now, so similarly glass will be glasses, chick will be chicks, flower will be flowers, shop will be shops, pencil will be pencils, pen will be pens. So there are actually a lot of noun, and noun are already given in your book, and they are of course in plural form. So you have to just remember to put. So let me show you once again how can you have this question. If I if you get the question like fill in the gaps with the correct number, then how will now a question may arise that may means we have some of the options. Of course I will give you the two options, one will be in singular form and another one will be in plural form, and you have to detect the correct one. Okay, just you have to go through the whole line and you have to sense that what is the correct number to be put here. Okay, so let me show you some of the examples on it. Like if the question is fill in the gaps with correct number, fill in the gaps with correct number, that means you have to put the correct number in the gap. Like first one is Junaid. We all know that who is Junaid actually in our class. Junaid is a very sweet boy. Junaid has a desk, pencil or pencils. So what can you understand from this? Do you think that pencils will be there? No, never, cause there's already, I have mentioned that a, that means Junaid has a means only one, that means it is actually single, it is about a single thing, that means it will be a singular form, and that is pencil. Junaid has a pencil, not pencils. You got 4 dash. You got 4 dash. In bracket C, I have given two options. One is sweet and another one is sweets. What do you think and what is the right one to be put here? You got 4. See, what's the number here? 4. Is it only 1 or more than 1? Of course, it is more than 1. If it is more than 1, what would you say? It will be singular noun or plural noun? Of course, it will be plural. So, you got 4 what? If it is plural, then I have to choose the S at the end of the word. Is there any S at the end of the word sweet? No. Where is the S? In the second option, and that is sweets. So you got 4 what? You got 4 sweets. As we know, 4 is actually more than 1. So to mean more than one thing, we have to indicate a plural number, and that will be sweets. Okay, I hope you now got the idea about it. So if you, so in a word, if you see there's actually gap and you have to put the correct number, then you have to go through the whole line, and then you have to just concern about the number that put just before the gap. If there's mentioned about only one thing, then you have to go with the singular number. If it is about more than one thing, then you have to choose the plural number. And I have already mentioned that how can we identify what is plural and what is singular. If there's a s or es at the end of a word, then of course, without any hesitation, undoubtedly, without any second thought, you have to put it in a gap, and that is a plural number. So babies, for today it's all. I hope we will meet with a new topic, and so till then, take care.